On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram's CSRF token missing. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Instagram and click on it. When you click on it, it will take you directly into this page, or what you have to do here is click on storage, click on this clear data option and then click on delete. Go back, click on the power usage details, and then right here you have to go down. You will find this force stop option, click on it and go back again, and now open the data usage, scroll down and make sure to enable all those options right here. That's it guys. Now the last step is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Instagram and click on this update option. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.